Okay, so for this tutorial I am going to show you how to calculate for the correlation coefficient using 570 or 991 ES. Okay, so we are given this one. X is equal to this column 13367 and y is equal to this column 1830964. So we are going to compute for the correlation coefficient. I'm going to go to stat mode, and then stat, that is 3, and then I'm going to choose a plus bx. Okay, this is for linear correlation, a plus bx. So I'm going to press 2, and then I'm going to input the values. Okay, so I'm going to press 1 equals 3 equals 3 equals 6 equals 7 equals. I'm going to use this arrow key to go to the top, and then I'm going to enter the y values 18, 13, 9, 6, 4. Okay, to compute for the correlation coefficient, I press AC and then shift, and then I'm going to look for stat or S bar here. Stat, I'm going to look at it. So stat is it's on the 1 button. Okay, so in other calculators you can see stat in uh, 2 button. Okay, so but for this calculator, stat is under this one. Okay, so I'm going to press 1, and then I'm going to choose regression, that is 5, and I'm going to choose R, that is 3, and then equals. Okay, so that is the value of the linear correlation coefficient. R is negative 0.9456. Okay, and we have solved this example using Excel. In other video, look at it, and we arrive at the same answer. So that's it. That's how you are going to solve the R using your calculator. Okay, so thank you.